Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super bored. Like, I'm really just so bored. I'm taking less classes this semester, so I just have all this free time, and normally I never have any. So I really just don't know what to do with myself, so I'm gonna film. So yeah, I thought I would do a few hairstyles for short hair now that my hair's short again, for like the summer months, so to like get it up off your neck and like when it's hot outside and you know, stuff like that. So if you guys want to see the hairstyles, then just keep watching. Focus on me. So these hairstyles, a few of them might seem a little easy, but I think that they're super cute and a little underrated. So yeah. Okay, so for this first hairstyle, what you're going to need is a bandana of any color, whatever you want. Or you could even do like a cute little like headscarf. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is just kind of, my hair is already parted like at a diagonal, but it meets in the middle. So I'm just going to part it in the middle down the back. And then you're just going to need two little teeny rubber bands, or big rubber bands if you've got thicker hair. And I'm literally just going to pigtail braid my hair. I feel like to sit on my foot. Okay. Sorry if I'm looking at my viewfinder, it's kind of my mirror because my ring light blocks everything in my view. And then what I like to do is just to make my hair look thicker, I pull it a little bit, make it look a bit messy. Like so, and if some hairs fall out, whatever, like who cares? This is a messy tutorial, okay? And I'm just gonna go do the other side. Okay, so you have your cute little pigtails. This is a cute enough hairstyle like on its own, and I wear it a lot like when I go to the pool, but my bangs are still not long enough to fit in pigtails, and they annoy the absolute heck out of me. So my fix for that is this guy, and I just take it and fold it in half like this and put it on my head and then wrap it underneath my pigtails and tie it in a knot like in the back. I do it like kind of loosely. And then you just pull backwards and then voila! There is your cute little peasant girl summer hairstyle. I just took my braids out. You can also just wear it down like this and it's super cute and it keeps your hair out of your face. Bandana is one of my favorite things to wear in the summertime. Okay, hairstyle number 2 is pretty easy. You'll just need more little rubber bands, but for me, I'm gonna use bigger ones because my hair gets really tangled in those tiny rubber ones. So again, I'm just gonna part my hair down the middle, and I'm gonna bring my hair up. Oh, sorry, you couldn't see me. I'm using my mirror. To about like the middle of my head. Let's say about like right there. It's gonna look a little dorky at first. And I'm probably gonna need some rubber bands for this one. This is like actually one of my favorite hairstyles I did when I was little. But I still love it like to this day. And I think it's so cute. And I'm just gonna pull it loose and kind of like make it messy. Basically, I'm just a big 5-year-old. Space buns are in right now, right? There it is. I love it. I think it's super cute, like with a cute little bikini, and it gets all your hair out of your face. And I don't know, if you're into kind of dorky hairstyles, then here's this one. And they bounce, which is even more fun. Okay, so then another hairstyle I really like to do is basically go from like my eyebrows up. And I need a brush. I like to keep my part just because, like, I don't know, I don't look super good with all of my hair pulled like uniformly back, if that makes sense. Probably doesn't, but oh well. And I just brush the rest of it. So I keep like a little part right there. And first I go in with a good like normal rubber band. Pull it a little bit, make it more voluptuous. And then gosh, my hair's looking a bit crazy. Take a scrunchie, one that matches your outfit or doesn't match, you know, whatever floats your boat, and wrap it around that. And you've got a cute little half up, half down 90s look. And I love this one. Okay, so next one, I'm just gonna take like kind of my front parts of my hair like that, and then section it off. And I'm just gonna like basically twist them backwards. It's a bit hard to do at 2 times. But I just twist them backwards, loosely. And then tie them into a little ponytail. Or actually, I'll probably clip them, because I got a little clip. I just take a little mini clip. And clip it. Not super exciting, but it's super easy, so I thought I'd throw it in. To require some barrettes. This one is like so what I wore every day in my childhood. Basically, I'm just reverting to my childhood self. So what I do here is I take some hair, and then I take, because I'm always trying to like hide my bangs. I hate that my hair isn't all one same length. So I take like my bangs area and I kind of tuck it under and let these pieces fall forward, and then just do a little barrette. And sometimes I do one side, but lately I've been doing both sides. Like I said, I do have bangs on both sides of my head. Well, there's that, and I think this one's super cute and fun, and it keeps your hair semi out of your face, but it keeps, like, if you have bangs, it keeps it out of your face. And I think it's super cute and super, I don't even know, 90s I'm assuming, but I like it. So my next one, again, these are all really easy, and it just depends on your style if you like this one. I personally do. I'm literally just doing pigtails. And I love them. I just put them right behind my ear and divide my hair in half, and that's literally all I do. And I think it's super cute. I don't know, is it just me? I just feel like a little kid again, and they're so fun to like flip around. So there's this one. Okay, so another one I like to do is just take like this little triangle of hair on each side, kind of messily comb it a little bit upwards, and then take those little teeny rubber bands and just rubber band it. I love this one. I feel like a little early 2000s cheerleader. I feel like this is the hairstyle they all wore. But I love it. if you're getting the idea, I love pigtails. I just think they're so cute. And if you can pull them off, then do it. So the next thing I do is like just a cute little side braid. Now depending on how intricate you want it to look, it just like kind of depends on how small the pieces you take are. So if you want to do a loose one, you can literally just braid it backwards, but I'm gonna do mine a bit more defined. So I'm gonna take 3 little tiny pieces right from the front and just start French braiding, and I'll zoom in so you guys can see. And you can, like, depending on your style or like however you want to do it, you can pin on top of the hair, but what I like to do actually is pick up all this hair right here, flip it over, and you can take like a barrette or a bobby pin or like whatever you want. I'm just gonna do barrette because it's faster. And barrette it, and then flip that hair back over top and kind of hide like where you finished the braid. And I just think it's cute. It gets my bangs out of my face and I like it. So there's that one. And you can do it to the other side too, which I might go ahead and do really quickly. So that's what it looks like with both sides braided. Okay, so another one I like to do is I've already done one in like my 90s hairstyle video, but you're just gonna need a little, or big, depending on how big your hair is. I use this one, like a little clippy, and twist your hair upwards like you were gonna do a French twist, and just clip at the base, and you've got a really cute little kind of I don't even know what these are called, but it's just a cute little flippy updo. And I do this one a lot because it's just super 90s and I like it. Okay, I don't know what number I'm at. I think that might be 8. I'm trying to come up with 10. Okay, and then another one that I like to do is going to require a comb because I'm gonna tease it just a smidgen. I'm just gonna comb it backwards and take this little tippy top section right here, like kind of from my eyebrows and up. Okay, so now that I've sectioned off the rest of my hair, I'm just gonna comb this part, but I'm gonna back comb it a little. Hopefully you can hear me. Can't speak. So now that I have a giant rat's nest, I'm just gonna take all this hair and wrap it up into a cute little bun. Well, maybe. I'm just gonna bobby pin it with, I use this little curly one, if you've seen those before. I take down the rest of my hair, and there's that one. It's really easy and really cute, and yeah. So another one I like to do is literally take about half of my hair on each side. I leave a little bit just because like I feel like I look too bald if I take all of my hair. So I just take it, put it behind my ear, clip that away, and then same thing on the other side. Take that, put the rest away. And we're gonna do pretty much the exact same thing I just did, just in pigtails. So there's that. What a look. I feel like an 80s newscast lady. Yep, there's that one. I think it's cute.